So we would use an internal style here. And let's say we want to select all of our H1s. So we have 2 on the page. We would say H1, opening and closing curly brace. And let's change that color to blue. Save, head on over back to our browser, hit refresh, and it changes it to blue. Now let's say I wanted to select just this paragraph and make it real ugly. We could do that too. We could say, select the paragraph, and you notice that these match the HTML element. So this H1 is literally the H1 element, and this P is literally the paragraph element. And let's throw this on just one line this time. We can say, make the paragraph background color. And what color do we want to change this to? Let's change this to, what do we have here? Dark magenta. Make sure you have that semicolon. Make sure you have that closing curly brace. Save. And let's go refresh, and we can see that this text is going to change. Hopefully that is a visual change that we can see in this video. Yeah, there we go. So we have something that's actually working here. Now this is a selector. A selector is the ability to select just particular elements. Now we can select it by an element, we can select it by a class, we can select it by an ID, we can select elements by their attributes if we wanted to. But we're not going to get into that just yet. We're going to tackle these one by one. So what I would like you to do in this video is make an H1, make a div, and then just target that H1 and change the color of it. I do not want you to change the color of the div.